Hey guys, we got an inspirational story for you as 2020 rounds out. Check out the video, find out how to get free money in the mail and become a millionaire. Well, it's not like that, but it's a great story. Thanks for watching, guys. All right, baby's out. It's Andrew and everyone else from County Line Adventures. We don't know how this video would go, but thought it could potentially be a heartwarming story or a cruel trick. So we'll go for heartwarming story. We'll let Markia and Amira say what happened. But this happened when we were in North Carolina on vacation. And go ahead, ladies.
We were in the dollar store, and I was talking to Mom. I would be excited if I found a $2 bill. And the two ladies came up saying they live in Oklahoma, and I asked $2 bills. And if you went to this little town, they wouldn't believe it was a $2 bill. And then they said they would mail me some $2 bills.
Okay, so yeah, she pretty much told a really good story. We were just chit-chatting as we were walking through a dollar store looking for some things, and these ladies overheard our conversation and stopped and talked to us and asked if they could mail a $2 bill to Amira because she was curious. She's never seen one. So I gave them our address, which, you know, that's kind of odd to give a stranger your address, but we were on vacation, so we did it. And lo and behold, today something showed up in the mail from Oklahoma. So go ahead and open it, Amira.
I hope it is a cool trick. I hope it's a check. I hope it's something
Okay,
new cool.
let's read what it says on the front first. It says, to Amira and siblings, from Jeannie and Dina, sisters from Oklahoma, met you in the dollar store. I hope you enjoy these.
Sounds good so far. And we'll add that
I hope it is.
Amira and all the other kids, whenever we go in anywhere, Food Line, Walmart, or whatever, or just look for change. Like squirrels looking for nuts. So I see a couple, Amira.
A whole handful. Look, turn them over, Amira. Look, have you ever seen that?
I got. Wait, can I see which president's on it?
Yeah, just a minute.
I got $4 bill.
4 $2 bills. Can you count them by twos? So how much did you get?
2, 4, and
What comes after 4?
6, 8.
Good job. And let's open the other piece. There's something else there too.
Ooh,
That we had mentioned we had never seen.
what else?
Here.
It might be money coin. Is it? It looks like chocolate.
Here we go. What is it?
They are.
What are these, Amira?
$1 coins.
Yes, and you know where these do you remember where these ladies told us that they get this at?
They get them at a little shop.
At the feed store. There's a feed store in Oklahoma, somewhere in Oklahoma, that when you pay, you get your change back in $2 bills.
Don't flip it.
And what are the coins?
And what are these coins? Say what they are, Amira.
They are
Oh, lost one.
they are the change and
Look at
Turn it
that.
over.
$1. They're $1.
These are how much? No, they're not $1, baby. They are $half. These are $half coins. 2 quarters. How much is 2 quarters?
50 cents.
Yes, so those are 50-cent pieces.
Wow, so that is amazing.
So that is really neat. You just never know what you're gonna find on vacation. Or
So
who
what were these
you'll
ladies'
find.
names again?
These ladies' names were Jeannie and Dina.
Okay, and Gina and Dina will probably never see this Jeannie will probably never see this video, but what would we say to them, okay?
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you. Okay, I think we'll write
the coin.
we'll write them a letter, but what a cool treat and kindness that could cheer up a kid on vacation and miles away is rare in these days. So very thankful for these ladies. That was a very kind thing to do. And what should people do to our channel and to our videos? Girls,
Like and subscribe.